Kyoto Gardens or Holland Park, and this trail just it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. Is this really the way to Kyoto Gardens? Place that's like so popular. Shouldn't the trail make a bit more sense? I hope I'm in the right direction, because this is weird. Child, I just had to ask someone for directions. And one thing about the Brits is either they do signage really well or they don't. It's really weird. I finally made it to Kyoto Gardens. That's a peacock.
And a boy, peacock.
So I'm at a ramen restaurant. I ordered the Tokyo peacock ramen with a duck bun. I'm really excited. The place looks so cute and I'm hungry, so But this is the spring juice for the ramen. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I don't really like it. But this was so good actually. I'm pretty sure I finished all the noodles in it. It's just a broth now. You know, I never stray outside of my daily routine. I wake up, get ready for work, come home, watch TV, go to bed. But today the weather's so nice, and I feel like I only record when the weather's nice, but how can you not? And I decided, you know what, the weather's so nice, and I don't want to just go home right after and sit at home like I usually do. It's a Friday. Why not just enjoy outside? So I was like, there's a park on my way home. Let me go there. And there's a stream. I've been here before, but I didn't really explore it. But this time, I got my chopsticks bag and I had for lunch. And yeah, it's just so nice. I mean, albeit there's city life right there. I mean, you just saw the train, but it's calming, and I'm the only one here, and it's so quiet. Now I hear voices. Look, stream. It's nice. I should do this more often. Next time I'll bring my tripod so I can prop my phone up. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I'm happy. See, don't get me wrong, I love being out in nature, but I always feel itchy. I always feel itchy, I always feel like there's a bug crawling on me. I wonder what I'm going to do tomorrow. Do I want to go out and eat? You know what? I was thinking of doing some thrifting. So I think I might do some thrifting tomorrow. Spitalfields Market, maybe. I think it's going to be sunny tomorrow as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It might rain. But for now, the weather is lovely. guys, I'm on a line bike. Yeah, but it's a little bit finicky to start it up, but like, once you do that, it's fine.